Hi, I'm Andy from Stream, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a chain curtain. The chain curtain is supplied with fixing brackets like this, and you'll notice there's a lip at the top and there's a flat surface here, and the bracket is fitted directly to the door frame like this. This means that when the chain curtain is hung, it fits onto the bracket like so. So let's fit the bracket. What I've done is drilled a fixing hole, and I've drilled it 125 millimeters from the corner. There's a couple of reasons for this. The first is that I want to avoid any internal fixing mechanism within the door, and secondly, it allows the screen to hang correctly. So I'm going to fix my bracket. And you'll notice here what I'm doing is fixing through the centre hole. And there's a couple of reasons for that. Number one is it just provides a nice simple fixing, and number two, it means we just get the one hole in the frame. However, we do supply enough screws to fit either side if you prefer to give you additional strength. Now, with this curtain, this is a fairly regular sized door, so we provided two brackets. With larger curtains, we provide additional brackets so that you can fit at points between the two edges to give additional strength. So now I'm just going to hang the chain curtain, and the way I find easiest here is to take the header and lift it as high as I can, and then just to gather the chain and take the weight away from the header. Now, if you can get an additional pair of hands to help with this, it makes life a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is hang the header onto the brackets, and you'll notice what I do is I lift it up above the bracket and then just release the weight of the chain. And what this does mean is we need to allow some clearance above, and we recommend 10 millimeters, and you can find that information in the how to measure on the product page. So now I've got it in place, what I'm going to do is just adjust it slightly. Just make sure that it's hanging straight, that there's no kinks. That seems to be fine. So that's my chain curtain fitted. There's additional information on the product page, and if you have any questions that aren't answered there, then please give us a call.